Welcome to iCircuit Premium Mac and iPhone repair experts. Today, we're working on a MacBook Pro A1707 with a dim display issue. The screen turns on, but there's very low or no backlight, a common issue in this model. We begin with a thorough diagnosis of the backlight circuit using schematics and testing points. After identifying the fault, we proceed with component-level repair. 1. The logic board. With precision soldering and circuit testing, we successfully restore the backlight. And here's the result. The display is fully bright and functional again. If you're facing similar issues, contact iCircuit Bangalore. Subscribe for more real repair videos, and thank you for watching.